Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get Telegram Premium for free. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. First, let me prove that I don't have Telegram Premium right now. See, no premium features here. Now, I will close Telegram and open the Play Store. Search for Nice Dram and install it. It's a powerful AI chat client for Telegram. Once it's installed, open NiceDram and log in with your phone number. After logging in, open the NiceDram bot and enter the promo code. Now you will get NiceDram Premium. This is honestly one of the best Telegram client out there. Just restart the app and you will set to enjoy your new features. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more cool tricks. Thanks for watching.